It's very easy to invoice a customer from a sales order. As an example, I have opened one of the existing sales orders, so it's one for Rally Cloud, and the customer ordered 40 units of the Paris guest chair, as you can see. So let me scroll to the right, and you will see that these items already are shipped, and now we would like to invoice the customer. So invoicing the customer is done based on the quantity to invoice. So and here we would like to invoice the full quantity, although you can also make a partial invoice, but in this case let's stick to 40. Next I will click on posting, post, and I will select ship and invoice or invoice. So by doing this, the system will now create the posted sales invoice. So let's look at the document. So I would like to check the posted sales invoice. So this is my posted sales invoice, which is of course non-editable, so because it's posted. But by clicking on more options, actions, I can also navigate on the posted document. And here, because this is an invoice, you will of course see that the system has created GL entries, tax entries, customer ledger entries, and so on. So this is a first example in which I simply posted from the sales order. Now, instead of invoicing one sales order at a time, you can also invoice multiple shipments coming from multiple sales orders in one invoice. So, and that's what we call the combined shipments function. So let me create a new sales invoice, and I would like to invoice multiple shipments we did to customer 10,000. So I will create a sales invoice for customer Datum Corporation, so customer 10,000. Then I will go to the line action here on the lines. I will click on functions and I will use the function get shipment lines. Now this function will show me all posted shipments that we didn't invoice yet. So in here you can see that this customer has 2 uninvoiced posted shipments, and now I would like to invoice them at the same time, so with one sales invoice document. So I will select all the lines. Next I will click on OK, and you will see that now Business Central will insert these 2 lines with references to the original shipment numbers. So here you can see the different quantities, you can see the unit prices, you can even change them if you want, but I will stick to the same quantities and prices. And next I can click on posting, post, and I can now post the sales invoice for these multiple shipments.